Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I straighten my curly hair. Don't worry, this is just for fun. I will always love my curls the most, but it's fun to switch it up every now and then. I'm also going to get my husband's reaction to my straight hair because he never sees it straight. He hasn't seen it straight in years. To style my hair today, I'm using the Dream Hairstyle Pro. It's a 7-in-1 hair styler. Look at all of these attachments. I'm obsessed with the brown leather as well. You guys know I love brown. This is just so elegant and luxurious and comfortable to hold. It has 3 different temperature and wind settings. It's very powerful. I'll quickly take you through each attachment it comes with. We have the flyaway attachment working to flatten frizz and target flyaways for an extra sleek look. There's the fast dryer tool designed for rapid and efficient hair drying. The volumizing brush designed to create volume and shape hair from root to tip. The hard smoothing brush for detangling and smoothing hair, particularly for those with stubborn knots or coarse hair textures, and the soft smoothing brush for finer hair and for creating sleek, smooth styles and taming flyaways. Lastly, the auto wrap barrels, which are my favorite to use. They're designed to effortlessly curl hair using airflow. To make the curls even better, use the instant cold shot technique. After shaping the curl with hot air, hold the slide button up to activate the cool air setting and hold for 10 to 15 seconds to set the curls in place. Back to the tutorial. Before I go in with heat, I always like to use a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant spray. This will just help your hair come out nice and shiny and give you the best results, and you also want to protect your hair from all the heat. Especially if you're straightening curly hair, you want your hair to come out nice and smooth and moisturized. So you want to work on damp, towel-dried hair. I clipped my hair up and I'm going to work in sections. This is the hard smoothing brush. It's good for curly textures. It's going to smoothen and detangle your hair all in one. So that's from going over the section 2 times, and you can see the massive difference. Let's do the rest. Okay, next step after smoothing it all out with the brush, I'm going to go in with the auto wrap barrel, which is going to help create those like nice soft curls, that blowout effect. It's going to help smooth out any remaining frizz and add more shine. There's a barrel for each side of your hair to help you control the direction of the curls. I've never really done this before on myself, so I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, it's really easy to use and it just created that gorgeous loose curl and it added more shine. I have never been able to achieve hair like this by myself. I'm proud of myself. These 2 attachments together, they are Curly Girl approved. Wow, look at the shine, the volume. Who is she? To finish things off, I'm going to use the flyaway attachment just to smooth down any like flyaways at the top that I'm having here. And it'll just add that extra bit of smoothness to make these curls last longer. You can see the difference. This is before, where you can see the flyaways and a bit of frizz at the top, and then this is after using the flyaway attachment. I think that's really handy, especially for curly girls. Okay, much better. Honestly, the Airstyle Pro is a game changer. I love how natural my hair looks and it just feels so soft. It's never been this good when I try to give myself like a blowout effect at home. It's such a handy styler to have if you want to switch up your look, and there's just so many different looks you can achieve with all the different attachments. This is Curly Girl approved. Ooh, wait, I love the side part.
Wow, I actually really like it. You've done such a good job. What the hell?
I know, I'm proud of myself. I've never made it look this nice.
Beautiful.
Just with one like device as well.
Jeez, I actually really like that. I really like how you did that. How'd you do that?
this special styler, and then it has different attachments.
You look beautiful.
We're gonna go out for dinner now, so I'm gonna go get dressed. Let me know what you guys think of this hair on me. Don't worry, I will be going back to curly very soon. Let me know if you guys are gonna try the AirStyle Pro. I highly recommend. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below of what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.